Anyway, hello everybody, welcome in today's video. Okay, so today we are in the kitchen. You guys, I remember there is a time you told me, oh, how do you make ugali? We'll use this one. I'll have to wash this one. I'm going to wash this one. Okay, this is the cooking pot we're going to use to make ugali. But then I'll boil my water here just so that we can be fast. I'll boil first my water. Where is the cooking stick? I'm not finding the cooking stick, but anyway, I'm going to get one. Okay, you know this is just a hotel room. I'm going to get one. I'm going to call so that they can give me one. And we are using this flour. I know it's a good one. Yeah, let's go. Let's see how our ugali is gonna be. Let me wash this one first before. Let me wash my cooking pot first before I go and take the cooking stick. Okay, just to be fast. You wanted me to do this video so bad. I know you did. Most people asked, how do you prepare ugali? Show us how to prepare ugali. Here you go. Wait up and see. Told you guys I'm making ugali from scratch. Here we know how to make good ugali. I'm not gonna make a big one, just a small one, because I'm the one who will eat it. I can't prepare it to waste it. Okay, so our cooking pot is clean and ready. See, our cooking pot is clean and ready. Let it drain some water here as I go to get the cooking stick. I'm coming back. So guys, we've gotten the cooking stick. Here it is. Our cooking stick. This is what we're gonna be using. Okay, so let me warm this water here. Let's be careful. Okay, let me show you closely. So guys, this is our heater kettle. This is our kettle. Okay, you see I've connected here and I've poured water inside. So let's switch on, and you switch on also here. Let's boil so that we can hurry up, so that we can cook fast. Okay, let's go. Let it boil. So guys, as it boils, it will just switch off on itself after the water has boiled enough. Okay, told you I decided to boil using this kettle because so that we can do fast. Yeah, the cooker is a bit slow. It's almost done boiling. You see? So guys, remember we're just making ugali for one person. Okay, we're just making ugali for one person. So I'll use 1 cup. It will be so little on this sufuria, on this cooking pot. So I'll use 2 glasses of water. Okay. As we said, we're going to use 2 glasses, but this glass seems to be big. But let's see. Let's see. It's already boiling. Told you this will be fast. Okay, but this water is enough, I think. Anyway, let me just add a little bit. Ooh, like that. It has to boil well, more than this. Okay, so let's give it time. Let's give it time. As it boils, let's clean the cooking stick. Okay, let's clean the cooking stick as it boils. This is the cooking stick. It's clean now. So our water has boiled and let's start cooking, guys. So guys, our water has boiled, and to produce good ugali, I'll start with a small amount of flour, and then it boils with it, okay, for it to boil well, just like that. Let it boil again. Yeah, it's boiling, so let's add flour now and start mixing. Closely. This is how it looks right now. You see it's boiling. You after putting flour, you have to wait for it to start boiling around, okay? So let's start mixing. Here we go. I'm left-handed. After watching this video, guys, go and try it, okay? You can also make ugali. You have to mix well in that the flour is mixed, okay? It's well mixed and no flour is being visible inside this ugali. Let me show you how it is before I add flour, okay? This is how it looks right now. See, the flour is not enough, so I have to add. I still have to add a little amount of flour, okay? Let's add. And if you're not good at measuring flour, the correct amount of flour, you can use something like a cup or small, or yeah, something to get flour from here. If you think you can like use more flour, more than needed, okay, and which will make your ugali bad. If you put in more flour than it's needed, the ugali will be so hard and it won't be nice. You can't even eat. So you have to use something to get flour from here. I don't have anything to use to get flour because here I only have glass and teacups. Okay, that's why I'm not using anything to get flour from here, but you really need to use something, okay? You have to make sure it's well mixed, all right? It doesn't have to be stiff. There are people who like it when it's so much stiff, others don't. Wow, imagine. Let me show you how it is right now. See, it's almost ready. Ooh, I'm gonna enjoy ugali. So guys, I've mixed the ugali well. Yeah, it's almost done, but you know, as for me, some people just get it like this and it's ready for them when it's like this. But as for me, I like my ugali well cooked. So after I've mixed it well and it looks good. I always have that smell. You know, ugali has a nice smell when it's well cooked. It has this nice smell. Yeah, and it tastes more better, way better when it's cooked for long. Okay, that's why when my ugali is ready, I just reduce the heat, and then I leave it for some minutes, some few minutes. Okay, this is how it is. We're gonna cover the top and reduce heat. You see? Yeah. So let's cover it. Yeah, and we will switch off here because there is still heat. This hot plate is still so hot. Okay, so we will switch off and let it cook with this low heat. Okay, I'll show you the final. So let's wait up. And you know, after using fly, you have to cover it well. Okay, like this. You see, to avoid that getting inside, to avoid that getting in our flour. If you want to know your ugali is well cooked, it has this nice smell. Let's wait. It's almost ready. I'm coming back. Wow, it's ready now. Let me show you now how the cooking pot looks like inside. You see now this? You see this? Yeah, our ugali is ready. After getting it from the sufuria, you have to make it like this, okay? You see, and if you're not like eating your ugali right away, I will advise you use this one to funika hapa, okay? Like this, you use that sufuria to cover it. It will be more warm and it will still have that nice smell, ugali. So I'll just use my cooking pot to cover it a bit. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is how we make ugali. You wanted to know, I've done this video for you. So kindly don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.